M1371. Okay, before takeoff, I will ensure all the flaps are open, it is not closed, and I will ensure that the trimmers are on positive side. Okay, so at least 30%, so that will help me for takeoff. And just we'll just go to the cockpit view and see what are the options available. Okay, so okay, I think this view is good. So what I'll just do is like we'll plan for takeoff. So let's increase the throttle. Just ensure my aircraft nose is low because I can keep the nose, but the major challenge is I have not gained sufficient speed. So at least it should be more than 50 nautical miles. So I'll just go for the autopilot, and on the autopilot I'll ensure that altitude is somewhere around 6, 7, 800 feet. Okay, and here I will increase the speed also to somewhere around at least 248 nautical miles. And I ensure where the trimmers are 0. So for second time I'll be doing the autopilot. So I remove the autopilot. So I just ensure the trimmers. First I will set the speed, then I will go for the autopilot. And this will at least the speed should be somewhere around 90 nautical miles. Okay, that is set. So the aircraft is flying. So I'm planning to land so that I can have a soft landing. So the flight is in the autopilot mode. So I'm typing reduce the tip. So I'll increase the torque. But now I'll start tilting with respect to autopilot. So I'm planning for a sharp turn. As you can see, when I increase the angle of rotation, you can press it and try to go to the 360-degree set value, or have still more steep turning. I'll just go and set to 50, at least 360 degree. So that is 20 to 360. And I'll try to reduce the throttle because I'm planning for a landing. So wherever possible, try for clean the runway. Now the runway is visible. So I'm giving the autopilot. I'll just go for a manual sharp turn. Almost into the problem. The problem is I'm at the higher altitude, so I have to go for a narrow loop. Quick down. So what I do is I will try to increase the trimmers to 40 degree because it will immediately bring reducing this speed. More than the I'm trying to land at 20 nautical miles, which is not practically possible. So I have to reduce the speed. What I'm doing is I'm trying to bring the aircraft into full airway. And I'll just have slight throttle, which I reduce, slowly increase. I will ensure my throttle should be less than 40 if I'm planning for any sort of landing. So just do my So this is the landing, but unfortunately I was not able to good landing because of the high altitude to high speed reduction, which I need to have sufficient time, but I was unable to do it. Okay, see you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.